my lungs out, pour my heart out, peel my bones away. Crack my window, shed my shadows, excavate my pain.
If I could read the world, my notebook and these thoughts in it, would they judge me or love me for what I've written? Trying to get closer to spirit that enters the body. It's the best of like I'm not in it. In 50-something years, I won't be here. There'll be a kid with some headphones covering his ears. Walk around the hallway, dreaming of ideas. Find himself in the sound, cause music is a mirror. What you looking for? What you heading towards? What's your name worth when they mention yours? When you leave here, are you stepping forward? Can you remember your intention when they question yours? They're gonna question yours, they're gonna question yours. I've been to rock bottom, and I'm headed north. If you don't love yourself, what's the respect for? If you don't love life, the check won't correct yours. Thanksgiving.
My lungs out, pour my heart out, peel my bones away. Crack my window, shed my shadow, excavate my pain. And I found peace, and I found peace.
I had this vision of my death, surrounded by people I love and respect. In the baby blue Cadillac curse, pulling me around the block that I rep. The greatest fear that I've ever kept is dying with regrets. Like, was I just alive for success, or did I leave a better life for the rest? My greatest achievement isn't the dollars. My greatest achievement isn't the followers. My greatest achievement isn't the accolades. My greatest achievement is my daughter. Waking up in the morning being a father, watching the light kiss her eyelids, hearing her sing along the chants, and being like, yeah, that's my kid. The light started to glow, and the saxophone bunk Coltrane started to blow. Tending lean in the snow, turning my headphones, couple miles to go before I run out of road. Thanksgiving.
My lungs out,